Uh, what's up, YouTube? Check it out. On the workbench, my BMW. Got these player rims on it. About to take them off. And I'm gonna put these rims on. These are drift tires. I think they're at an angle. Nope, they're not. I had a brand new pair. I have to look at my tire box. But other than that, I want to take these player rims off this joint. And believe it or not, I'm crazy about this car. I bought it off eBay. Didn't have a remote. It needed new electronics, and I got it for a great deal. The body was banged the F up, and I actually had some paint here that same exact color and touched the body up. And I had some stickers for the headlights and did that up. So it turned out pretty decent. I put some mirrors on it, rear view mirrors. Yeah, put those on. And I'm actually wiring it up. I'm gonna hold this damn thing upside down. As you can see, these little light strips that's on it. Those are neon lights. So that the bottom can light up at night. It's pretty fast. I had it outside running it last summer a little bit. Well, summer before last. So, other than that, let's get to it. All right, so here we are. Get the tire change. Looks good. Gave it a more distinct look. You know what I mean? And of course, better rims. Gave it a more distinct look. And I'm gonna bring it back to you when I wire everything up. You know. Definitely look better than those player rims. I was thinking about, and of course, Big Goldie. Thanks for Ben. Thank you, Ben, on eBay, who makes RC scale, 1/10 scale, 1/5 scale, 1/8 scale, license plates. eBay. eBay. I don't. It's a description on one of my other videos. If you ever want to look it up. Other than this is 4-wheel drive, 540 engine. I actually put a truck ESC in there, and I'm telling you, man, it is very responsive. New remote, new receiver, all metal drive shafts, everything. I just put new buckets on the front, um, turn buckets on the front, because I had hit a curve and busted one up. I bought a chassis and just for parts and snatched it off. So did that, and I'm gonna tell you, man, I like it. You know, people might say, well, the body looks like shit. Why are you keeping it? Because I like it. this body. All right, I figured I'd bring that to you. Big Cold in the Basement. It's been a while. I only made a couple videos in the last 8 months, or I don't know. But this is it. If you like it, love it, hate it, whatever it is, I like it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. If not, that's cool too. But this is what it is, coming from the dungeon. Peace.